Okay, in this test we want to use 2D AutoCAD plan as a reference of our positioning system. Right now we're adding a new point with the create a new point and add several points in that position. We want to show the object in the real place, then add a custom range for each point. As you can see, we can add several points in the scene and put it on a specific position. Right now adding 3D models and put as a child of the each point. It's time to test in real place. When we reach the range of each point, as you can see, we can see the 3D models appears at that position we have selected in the editor. Okay, that's it.